Hey guys, it's your girl Kaylee Sparks here with you today, and I want to show you guys this beautiful outfit, and we're going to make it step by step. But let's start from the top. This is part 1 of making this beautiful crochet bikini top. I know you guys gonna love it. It's simple, easy, and it's like 1, 2, 3. It's beginners friendly, guys. So if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting on? Subscribe now and be a part of the Sparks family. So let's jump straight into this video. So these are the items that we're going to need for today. We're going to need a tapestry needle to weave in our ends, a 4mm crochet hook, a pair of scissors, and our yarn. Today I'm going to use black. So let's jump straight into this video. Start off by creating a magic circle. Make a chain that is long enough to cover your breast and meet partway in your back. So just continue to make that chain, guys. Alright, so I make 100 chain. Hold on to that 100 right there and chain on 2. 1, 2, yarn over, go into the space that you were holding your 100, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through all 3. So we are doing a double crochet. Yarn over, go into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through all 3. Yarn over, go into the next stitch, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through all 3. Let's show you again. Yarn over, go into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through all 3. So you're just going to continue to do this until you reach to the next end of the yarn, and then I'll tell you what next you're going to do. So just continue doing that, guys. So reach close up to the last end. Oops, sorry about that, guys. Alright, so chain up 2, 1, 2, turn and go, yarn over, go right into the space, pull up a hoop, pull through 1, then pull through all 3. Yarn over, go into the next space, pull up a hoop, pull through 1, pull through all 3. And you're just going to continue this until you reach to the next end. And I'll show you again what to do. So just continue doing that, guys. This is a simple, easy project for beginners. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button and be a part of the Sparks family. So I reach close to the end of rounds 2. Chain up 2, turn your work, yarn over, and go right into the first space. Yarn over, go into the next stitch, pull up a hoop, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through all 3. And you're going to continue to do this until you reach to the broadness supposed to be to cover your bra, so to cover your breast. Sorry about that, guys. So just continue do it until it suits your need, whether you want to just cover your bra or you want to go a little bit more taller. Just do it to the height of your choice. I'll tell you how much row that I'm going to do. Right now I'm just at my 3rd row, so just continue doing this, guys. So I'm right up to the last of my rows, and my yarn is on the finishing, so I'm going to attach next yarn in it. Alright, so I leave it. Let me show you guys again. Yarn over, go into that space. Alright, so I just take the next yarn, have on my magic circle already, push it through on my hook, pull up a hoop, yarn over, pull through one, yarn over, pull through all 3. And tug on it to make sure that it's tight. So there I have my attachment, and I have 20 rows. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put some borders around the edge. So I'm going to do some single crochet. So I'm going to chain 1, then go into the space, pull up a hoop, yarn over, and pull through 2. Go into the space, pull up a hoop, yarn over, pull through 2. Look again, guys. Go into the space, yarn over, pull up a hoop, and pull through 2. Go into the next space, yarn over, and pull through. So this is what I'm going to do right around the edging while I'm weaving in my ends. So just continue doing that, guys, right around the entire top, right around the entire bikini top. That's what you're going to do into every single space. I'm going to do a single crochet to border it. So just continue doing that, guys. So I'm close to my first corner, so go into that corner space 2 times. So that's 1 and that's 2. Then go into the next stitch. So each time you reach to a corner, go into that 2 times, and then you continue. So I'm close to the end of the row. And then go in right into our chain 1 with a slip stitch. Chain up 2. And then cut off your yarn. Alright, now you're going to choose the side that you want. So I'm going to use this for my outside and this for my inner side. Alright, so I'm going to create a chain now to strap up the back. So start off by making a magic circle, and you're going to create a chain that is long enough to go across the back. So just to go across the back, just chain up a chain that is long enough to go there. Just continue doing that, guys. So I'm on the finishing of my lace, so I'm just gonna cut off my yarn and tug on it. So you can use this now to lace up this section. When you lace up this section with the lace, you can put it whether to the front or to the back, any one of your choice, but I'll be and you can just leave it like this, but I'll be continuing, guys. I'll be putting on a pattern to the front, so I have some stitch marker right here where I'm going to lay my patterns. So this is the indicator for me to know that my pattern is going to start from here to here. So let's jump straight into it. So I change my hook to a 0 plus 13. I think it would calculate to a 2.5. So make a magic circle, take it off, put it into your stitch marker, then slip on your magic circle and chain 1 and tighten that spot. So chain up 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I change my hook because I want the pattern to be more smaller. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go into the 6th spot with a slip stitch. Chain up 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Count this one to include as the 6th spot. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Place a slip stitch into that spot. So always count the one that you have the slip stitch in to calculate with the 6. Chain up 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Count the 6th spot. Remember the one that you have your chain in to be classified. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you're going to do that until you reach to your next stitch marker at the end. So when you reach there, I'll tell you what next to do. So just continue doing that. Alright, so this is what you're going to do. Turn your work. And now you're going to slip stitch 6 times into this chain. So we're going to slip stitch 6 times. Make sure that your needle is comfortably in your hands. So we'll do it now. So this is 1. So we're going to slip stitch till we get to the middle of it. So just slip stitch. Alright. So chain up 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then you're going to go count off 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And slip stitch right into that 6th spot. Count off, chain up 12 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and count up 6 to go into the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make a slip stitch right into that spot, and you're going to continue to do this until you reach to the end of where you were starting from. So when you reach over on this side, I'll tell you what next to do. So just continue doing that. So I reach up to my last chain. So count off 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So make a slip stitch right into that 6th spot, chain 2, 1, 2, tug on your yarn and cut off that end and pull through. Alright, tug on it. You can remove your stitch markers and fold it over. So we're going to do something different now. So that's the pattern, guys. Now we're going to make going to wrap some card to go in between the loop. So place your yarn at the top of the book, or anything that you have can meet the measurement. Wrap it over and just make a couple of them. So when you count off enough, I'll tell you what next to do. So just continue doing that, guys. So after you do the amount that you want, you're going to cut off your yarn, and then you're going to cut it right across as well. Okay. So this is the length of our yarn. So what we're going to do now, we're going to take our crochet hook, fold this yarn into half like this, go into the space, do 2 of them together. Do 2 of them so it will be a little bit more fluffy. Put 2 of them together, measure them equally, push your hook in between the circle, pull through, yarn over and pull through, and you have a little pom-pom right there. Just tug on it, join them back together again, fold it into half, go into that space, pull through, yarn over and pull through, and then tug on that again. Make sure that they're in the center of the circle. Join 2 more again together, fold them into half, go into that space, yarn, pull your yarn through, yarn over and pull through. Pull it into the center and tug on it, and you're going to do that right across to the end of your yarn, and I'll meet you back there, and you're going to weave in your straps at the back. So just continue doing that, guys. So guys, this is the finishing of the bikini top, and it is super cute. These are the details. This is the back. The back is strapped up. So guys, please remember to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on these awesome projects. Be a part of the Sparks family. So peace out. Love you guys.